friends, from me in bed. I hope that your day is off to a lovely start. I am here today to share with you my 7 a.m. morning routine. Recently, I have moved my wake up an hour and it's been pretty nice, so I thought I would share with you how I've been feeling these couple of hours in my morning before I start work. It gets really bright in our room in the morning, which sometimes I hate, but it's also really good because it helps to wake me up. And I can usually tell what time it is by the way that the light is coming in through the window in our bedroom. So right now it is 7:25 a.m. I obviously was just laying in bed. I scrolled, got back to some emails, got some cuddles in with Molly Cat, and now it's time to get up. By the way, self-tanner update, you guys. So last night I slept in the Tanologist clear tanning mousse that I tried in my last week in my life video. That was the one. And I know that we sort of talked about the fact that I wanted to challenge their like clear no transfer claim, because I just don't believe that self-tanners can be totally no transfer. And I have to say this one did really, really well. I still have it on right now. I need to rinse it off this morning, obviously, when we shower. So sorry if I look a little crazy right now. I have to say, I think that there's like 1 or 2 little spots on my sheets from the self-tanner, but it is not bad at all. And honestly, way less than any tanner I've ever used. So I feel pretty good about that, honestly. I think that's pretty impressive that it didn't really just like stain my sheets. It was more like spots where like maybe I like sweat a little overnight or something like that. Versus other self-tanners I've slept in, it's just like from touching the sheets, you're going to like transfer. So that was pretty cool. I was pretty happy with that. In case you missed it, this is the tanner that I'm talking about in medium. As you can tell, I did the dishes after applying tanner and dots. But that's okay. Ignore that. Always feels so good to get a little tidy in the morning so that you're working in like a nice clean space. You know what I mean? It makes a big difference in like my mindset. I don't know about you guys, but I have trouble working in like really messy environments, which is honestly a weird juxtaposition because I'm not like a super tidy person, to be honest. But when things get crazy, I like can't deal with it. So there's a little tidbit about me. Alrighty, next up on the agenda is order groceries. I actually got a question on my vlog the other day when I was talking about like the person who did my grocery shop not doing a great job. Oh, Molly Cat, you're going a little crazy. Okay, no. Someone was like, why are you still ordering your groceries now that you have a car? So there's a few reasons. Number one, that I already paid for a year-long subscription to Instacart, so I might as well continue to use it. And two, it just takes one thing off my docket that I don't have to worry about every single week. You know, I can wake up in the morning, order groceries, have them by lunchtime, and be working in the meantime. Or I don't need to spend time on the weekends going to do that. Of course, then you do run the risk of, you know, someone not being a great shopper or not finding things that you want or whatever. But that's just sort of the trade-off. So that's sort of where I stand on it. I don't know if Connor and I will renew our Instacart subscription. We honestly haven't talked about it, but I definitely could see us redoing it because it just is nice to not have to worry about that. We also will use it to just order quick random things if we realize like, oh, we need this or whatever. We'll just order it really quickly. A simple pleasure, you know, it costs $100 for the entire year, 50 bucks each. So it's really not a huge expense to me. I'll spend more money on gas going back and forth to the grocery store in a year than I will just on Instacart. Connor is traveling today, so I'm on my own for dinner tonight. He does get back tonight, but pretty late. Oh, you know what I've really been craving is that avocado pasta again. Holy cat. I honestly might make that again because it was so good last time. It was so quick and easy. Yeah, I'm feeling that. Okay. Actually, this just reminded me. I wanted to make a quick little lemon water for myself, so let's do that while we grocery shop. And we're back with our lemon water. Just so nice and refreshing in the mornings. Okay, order placed. Next up on the agenda here, it is time for a shower. I'm almost done with my lemon water. Let me just guzzle the rest of this down. Delicious, refreshing. It is shower time now. I'm just gonna hop in the shower. I don't know, my hair, like, I just washed it 2 days ago, but it just did not keep definition very well this time around. So I think I'm gonna throw a hair mask in when I'm in the shower and just do my hair routine again because I do have some content I have to film today for clients and I just want my hair to be looking fresh. And we obviously have to rinse this tanner off too. I had every intention of putting on something different after the shower, but I decided instead to just put on the same sweats and tank top that I was wearing earlier. I don't know, like usually I like to, you know, get dressed in my yoga pants and workout stuff because I am going to work out this evening. So I just do that in the morning, but I don't know, I'm just sort of in the mood to be a little bit more comfy today. As I mentioned, I'm also filming stuff for a client, so I'm gonna have to be changed in something different for a little while anyway. So we're just sticking with the comfy clothes for our morning here. Just finished doing my hair, but my groceries just got delivered, so I want to go put those away before I finish getting ready for the day. This is what I'm saying, you guys. Like, I ordered my groceries, I got in the shower, I did my hair, and now the groceries are here. It's just so quick, it's so easy, and like, I didn't have to spend that time going out and grocery shopping. Instead, I just did that. It's just a small luxury. It's totally a luxury. It's definitely not something that I need, but it's just something sort of nice to have. Makeup done, ready for the day. The last thing I'm going to do here before I hop into work is take some vitamins. Just the usual lineup here. We have some B12 gummies, collagen gummies, good for hair, skin, nails. Do I get 2 of these too? Yeah, I do. They're pretty good. Last stop on gummy row are apple cider vinegar gummies. These golly ones are the best. Oh my gosh, I can't. They're so sticky, like they are the most gummy, sticky, candy-like gummies I've ever had. They're so delicious, but hard to get out sometimes. Oh my god, they're so good. I forget every time. Just love those apple cider vinegar gummies. It's so much better than like forcing yourself to take shots of apple cider vinegar. My angel, hello love. Oh, look at how beautiful. Just relaxing in the sun. I love you. Boop. Gotta fill up my water now, and I think I'm gonna make a quick matcha actually. It sounds really good. Oh, it's so good. Me and matcha have truly become best friends ever since the chai tea debacle. We don't need to get into it again. Well, friends, it is 9:15 a.m. now, and it is time to get to work. I swear my mornings fly by. I have no idea how I make it from like 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. or like 10 or 11 a.m. so quickly. It feels like every single day. But today was good because I feel very ready for the day now. It's not like I have to take a break later to put makeup on or anything like that. So feeling very good about that. Oh, it looks like a beautiful day outside. Oh, yes, it's gonna be in the 70s. I'm so excited. We are having such beautiful weather coming up. I'm just thrilled. And the rest of my morning is going to be spent right here on my desk getting some work done. So I think I actually will leave you here. Hope you enjoyed spending the morning with me, getting a little taste at what like a nice productive earlier morning looks like for me. I'm not an early riser, so I know 7 a.m. is not like these 5 a.m. morning routines that other people get in, but that's just not me, y'all. That's just not me. Unless it's to catch a flight, you're definitely not going to catch me waking up earlier than 7 a.m. Actually, let me know down below, what time do you guys wake up? Or like, I guess tell me what time you wake up and what your preferred time to wake up would be, if they are different from each other. Like me, wake up between 7 and 8, depending on the day. But like ideally, I would wake up at like 10 a.m. every day. That would be amazing. Not that I can even sleep in that late anymore. I've officially reached that age where you just can't sleep in. I digress. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.